Hello, this is Keith at Half Tracks and Honeybees. Just walked up to the shop and got another swarm going in a little pine tree. They're not landing very good, but I'm trying something different. I've got my bucket on the end of my long extension pole, and I sprayed some Swarm Commander in the bucket to kind of get their attention up here in the swarm. I set a little box out over here when they were closer to the road, but they flew a little bit back into the woods, so my little box isn't getting much attention. So anyway, we're just going to wait and see if maybe the swarm will go in the bucket. That would be kind of cool. Never tried this before, but we'll see. I'll be back. From Swarmville, USA. Here we go again. Look at them pouring out of the hive. It's funny, you got two foragers there with pollen on their legs trying to get in. But yeah, we got a good cloud of bees going here. Yeah, this was one of my production hives, so this is kind of sad. They'd already made a lot of honey though. Hopefully I can catch them. It's a lot of bees. Oh well, we'll be back shortly. I just had another swarm. And the ones that actually came down from the tree onto the bucket, it looks like the other swarm has joined them now. I've never seen that before. So I'm going to end up with a bucket with 1,000 pounds of bees in it on the end of a 25-foot pole. It's going to have more leverage than I'm going to know what to do with. This is going to get interesting. Huh. I'm going to have to do some figuring on this. Now this swarm, I don't know if it was a practice swarm or what was going on, but they ran out of the box, flew up in the air, and then some of them just came right back down here. You see a bunch of bees up under the hive and on the ground. Kind of a wacky Sunday. But you can see some of these, they're walking back over. I don't know. Kind of curious, but I'm glad they came back. But that just means I need to open this hive up and see what's going on. Anyway, what a crazy day. Well, so they're kind of distributed between my bucket and that limb. But I don't know what's in the bucket. The Swarm Commander was in the bucket. But I'm just going to let them sit there for a few minutes. I got to go back in the shop and put some frames together right quick. Dang, what a day. So now that I've got a swarm the size of Rhode Island up in a tree, I don't have a single box or frame except for this little nuke. And it ain't big enough. So I've got this pile of wood. I'm gonna have to make some frames right quick. to go in these boxes that I just dipped in Eco Wood. So I'm rushing them along. But that's a big swarm. That might be a 3-boxer for my mediums. So I got to knock out 30 frames right quick. And we'll be right back. Okay. Well, I got 30 frames put together right quick. I still got to pop the foundation in them. I was going to let them dry just a little bit more. I got 3 boxes dried after I dipped them in Eco Wood. Went in and dipped some more over there. So those are ready. But over here, everybody's doing lovely over there. And even the big hive that swarmed, it's back to normal, like nothing happened. They're all off the front, they're all off the ground. They walked back in. It's like, what was that? Then the little swarm came out of this box. And they're the same. It's like, it wasn't us, we didn't do anything. What are you looking at us for? Meanwhile, up in the trees, let me zoom in just a little bit. We've still got that great big swarm hanging off of the bucket. Now remember, I put the bucket up there to catch the first swarm. And while the bucket was up there, the second hive swarmed, and part of them decided to go up to the bucket too. So that's actually bees out of 2 different hives in that swarm. Now I've never seen nothing like that before. Y'all might have, but that's new to me. Anyway, I got to pop the foundation in those frames. Then I'm going to have to figure out how to get that swarm down out of the tree. Stay tuned. In sadness, the entire swarm just flew away for some reason. I didn't get to it quick enough. It's heading out over those trees over there. Wow, that was a big one and I missed it. I hate that. I just wasn't ready for it. Oh well. There's your lesson for today, folks. You got to stay ahead of these girls. You got to have your equipment ready before you need it, not try to make it while you need it. Anyway, my only hope is it's heading for one of my swarm boxes, which there is actually one that direction. That would be kind of funny. Anyway, so long, girls. It's been great. Hey, one more thing. Another lesson that we might can learn today is when a swarm does get in a tree or get on an object, get on a house, wherever it's at, you really don't know how long it's going to stay there. It's just going to bivouac there for a while and then it's going to fly off somewhere else that it's already planned on going. So, that's another reason to have your equipment ready, have all your tools, your stuff ready to go. Whenever you see a swarm, you can jump on it or you risk losing it like I did today. But anyway, it happens. I've caught a lot more this year than I've lost, so I can't complain a whole lot. But anyway, hope you all enjoyed this. If you did, hit the like and subscribe. Remember to always take time to enjoy the buzz, and we'll catch you later. Y'all take care.